In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into PlayStation Network if you forgot your password. So the first thing you want to do is you want to navigate to the sign in page. Now, if you have never signed into any PlayStation Network account before, then you're going to see a button on the home screen that says sign in. Or if you're trying to sign into like a new user, then what you need to do is you need to go over here to the icon. Then you need to go ahead and press on switch user. Then go ahead and press on add user. And then from here, you guys can go ahead and now just log in. But regardless, you just want to locate the sign in page. So what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and press on sign in just like so. And then it is going to give you a QR code that you must scan with your phone. And from there, you're able to go ahead and actually continue the process. All right, once you scan the QR code, it is going to direct you to a page that does look like this. So from here, all you want to do is you want to enter in the email address that was actually associated with your PlayStation Network. All right, so just go ahead and put it in really quickly, then go ahead and press on next. And then afterwards, it is going to ask you for your password. So here's the thing, guys. What you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on this option that says trouble signing in, because I'm doing this assuming that you don't know your password. So we just need to go ahead and press on this really quickly. And now all we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on I forgot my password and can't use my passkey. Let's go ahead and press on that option. And basically, it is now going to make us do the recovery process. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to enter in the email address again. All right, so this is my email address. Then I'm going to go ahead and press on send link. So go ahead and just press on that. And then there you go. And there you go. It is now going to send you an email to your inbox, basically showing you guys how to actually recover your account. So all you want to do is you want to open up your email. All right, and the email should look something like this. So it will say password change notification. And all you want to do is you want to press on recover your account right over here. And then it is going to redirect you to a screen that does look like this. Now, in order to continue, you need to verify your account. So you need to select a method to verify your account. So whenever you created your account, you actually did input a bunch of information about yourself. And basically, you need to go ahead and sign in using that. So at the moment, it's only giving me the option of date of birth. So we need to enter in our date of birth to basically confirm that we are the rightful owner of the PlayStation Network account. So go ahead and just press on continue. Then just go ahead and put in your birthday or whatever it does ask for. So just go ahead and enter that in. All right, then you want to go ahead and press on continue, and then that should be able to work. And then it is going to ask you if you want to make a passkey, but this is completely up to you. You could skip it if you want. I'm just going to go ahead and press on create a password. So from here, you want to go ahead and create a new password for your PlayStation Network account. So go ahead and enter it in. Okay, once you entered in your new password, go ahead and press on OK. All right, make sure that it is a password that you guys can actually remember. Then go ahead and just press on OK. Once you're done with that, and then from here, all you want to do is you want to sign into your PlayStation Network account like you normally would. So now you have both the email address and the brand new password. So you should be able to sign in. All right, and then it is going to say console found, and then go ahead and just press on OK. And then there you go. It will now actually go ahead and sign you into your PlayStation account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe as we are trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. I will see you in the next tutorial.